tracing the history of tires through time. Tires are an essential part of any vehicle, but have you ever stopped to think about their fascinating evolution over time? Let's take a journey through history and explore how car tires have transformed into what we know today.
Early beginnings. The concept of tires dates back to ancient times when wheeled carts were used for transportation. The earliest tires were made of solid wood or metal bands, providing a rigid and bumpy ride.
The invention of the pneumatic tire. In 1888, John Boyd Dunlop, a Scottish inventor, revolutionized the tire industry by creating the pneumatic tire. Filled with air, these tires offered a smoother and more comfortable ride, setting the stage for modern tire technologies.
The introduction of radial tires. In the 1940s, Michelin introduced radial tires, a breakthrough design where the tire plies run perpendicular to the direction of travel. This innovation greatly improved tire grip, fuel efficiency, and overall performance.
Tread patterns and durability. As vehicles became faster and more powerful, tire manufacturers began developing tread patterns to enhance traction and durability. Different tread designs were optimized for various road conditions, such as wet, dry, or off-road terrains.
Tubeless tires. Tubeless tires hit the market in the 1950s, eliminating the need for inner tubes. This advancement reduced the risk of tire blowouts and punctures, offering a safer and more reliable driving experience.
Run-flat technology. In recent years, run-flat tires have gained popularity. These tires are designed to support the weight of a vehicle even after a puncture, allowing drivers to continue driving to a safe location without the needing to change the damaged tire immediately.
Eco-friendly tires. With a growing focus on sustainability, eco-friendly tires have emerged. These tires are made from renewable or recycled materials, reducing their environmental impact. They also provide excellent fuel efficiency, contributing to a greener future.
Smart tires and IoT integration. The future of tires is here with smart tire technologies. These tires are equipped with sensors that monitor tire pressure, temperature, and tread wear in real time. Integrated with IoT systems, smart tires provide valuable data to enhance safety and performance.
Customized tires for autonomous vehicles. As autonomous vehicles become more prevalent, tire manufacturers are developing customized tires to meet the specific needs of self-driving cars. These tires prioritize factors like low rolling resistance, durability, and noise reduction for an optimal driving experience. From humble beginnings to high-tech innovations, the evolution of car tires has been nothing short of remarkable. As technology continues to advance, we can only imagine the exciting developments that lie ahead in the world of tire manufacturing. Next time you hit the road, take a moment to appreciate the journey of your vehicle's tires through time. We have a wide selection of different tire types available on our website. Priority Tire, moving with you.